A Daily Beast editor took to Twitter to complain about a medical bill. After she cursed out America for her pain, she got a healthy dose of reality. Daily Beast editor cursed out the United States over a medical bill, learned the truth the hard way. Photo credit, Raul Hernandez Gonzalez, Flickr. So much for Obamacare, am I right? The terrible program that was supposed to provide affordable healthcare to Americans ended up being a disaster. The program was so convoluted and bad, entire regions were left with one provider, if any at all. That's not to mention the unconstitutional, individual mandate that punished you for not being able to afford health insurance. Yet liberals still back Barack Obama's signature disaster. Worse still, they push for even greater government-sponsored health care. They want our health industry to be as bad as Europe's, which forces people to wait for months, in pain, for basic procedures. One such liberal was Daily Beast's social editor Mandy Velez. As an ardent Obama supporter, she wants universal health care. Recently she took to Twitter to emphasize this desire after she was hit with an out-of-pocket medical bill. But I'm not sure she garnered much sympathy. The Daily Beast's social editor Mandy Velez apparently got quite a shock today when she found out she owed $400 for medical appointments. I was told I owed $400 for 2 doctor's appointments. Both were for my autoimmune disease that I take meds for every day and could become very, very sick from if left untreated. Mandy Velez, at Mandy_Velez, June 11, 2018. Naturally, she used this setback to give America the finger. Source, Twitchy. I started bawling. Because I can't afford to go to the doctor now for something I need to go to the doctor for. Why the insurance? The collections agent apologized to me and said something like, "It's ridiculous, I know. I'm sorry, Foo America. Seriously. Foo. $400 can be a lot of money for some. But that's pennies compared to the massive bills most people struggle with after going to the doctor. Even a simple visit to the ER can result in over $10,000 in expenses." Honestly, Velez got off easy. But I understand the pain firsthand. Getting a huge bill you weren't expecting is tough. Does that justify cursing out the United States? Absolutely not. It's not our government's responsibility to pay for your healthcare, Mandy. Yes, it can be expensive. However, our government doesn't exist to pay for things that are expensive. The American spirit is to work hard so you can afford the things you need. It might be tough at times, but the alternative is far worse. Government-funded anything always turns out to be a disaster. We get burdened with massive taxes, a hard-hit industry, and only a few meager options. Most of us experienced how bad Obamacare can be. When tempers calmed, Velez did sort of apologize. But that didn't impress patriots online. I'm not going to delete what I said earlier, but I said it hastily. Bottom line, I love America. I just believe we're capable of having affordable healthcare for all without breaking our banks. I'm fortunate enough to pay, but some aren't. That's all. Mandy Velez, at Mandy_Velez, June 11, 2018. Oh, so you were fortunate enough to pay, after all? Why all the complaining? Doesn't the Daily Beast offer health insurance? If they don't, or don't cover enough of the expense, you should be angry with them. Why is it always the government's responsibility to take care of you? Maybe your company needs to cough up some more dough. Or you can always find a job that offers better benefits. But hang on, she could pay that $400? Must be nice. You know there are families in this country who, when hit with a $400 bill, are easily ruined. An unexpected expense like that can derail their entire lives. They don't take to Twitter to whine like entitled brats. You know what they do? They buckle down and make it work, no matter what. Understandably, people put Velez in her place. You live in one of most expensive areas of country. How often do you eat out? How often do you stop at Starbucks? Would you have doctors work for free, unable to pay staff, close offices, be enslaved to govt? Meanwhile, bought Deb at MD to boom, June 11, 2018. Many doctors put up W insurances that take 8 to 9 months to pay. Patients who don't pay, but we see new cars for their kids across the street. Democrats passed ACA. You think we like it? PPL like you. The ACA is just one reason I quit. Meanwhile, bought Deb at MD to boom, June 11, 2018. I'm sincerely sorry Obamacare hasn't worked out for you. Many warnings that this would happen went ignored. The Democrats are owed your ****KU, we warned you. Justice for Kate, at Greg the Product, June 11, 2018. Obamacare fixed this, so no worries. https://t.co/cm9WNJ1N40, Anthony Bialy, at Anthony Bialy, June 11, 2018. I can spend $400 right now on shoes. Why do you live in NYC where you can't even afford to go to the doctor? https://t.co/satemesrl.xo, at Sirensoyaku, June 11, 2018. Maybe you should move to a country with socialized medicine and see how that works for you. Shocking that a blue check-marked person is just figuring out how bad Obamacare was for the country. Less than not really greater than. EJM, at Boss12, June 11, 2018. Pretty honest, to say the least. Velez's attitude is typical of most out-of-touch, East Coast, liberal elites. They love to lecture us on their blogs, telling regular Americans why we're so wrong about supporting President Trump. They never even bother to understand how bad the policies are that they support. Velez is just another New York soy latte sipping con artist. She wants liberals to turn America into a socialist state, scolding us for not agreeing. Then she is suddenly shocked when her democratic paradise starts to collapse in on itself. It's even more outrageous when you consider she could afford the bill all along. Facebook has greatly reduced the distribution of our stories in our readers' news feeds and is instead promoting mainstream media sources. When you share on social media, however, you greatly help distribute our content. Please take a moment and consider sharing this article with your friends and family. Thank you.